Welcome to Chemist Frank channel. In today's video, I'm about to trade NFP live. Trading NFP live. Today is 2nd February 2024. I want to trade NFP here on my YouTube channel. And why I'm doing this is for us to learn how I analyze the Forex chart. First of all, trading NFP is risky. To trade NFP or other high impact news like FOMC, CPI, they are highly risky because it is very difficult to predict the direction of a news, right? Just know that. But if you must trade NFP, you have to watch this video from now to the end so that you will see how I analyze the chart and how I handle my risk, how I take it. You may learn from it, right? Because it is a probability. You don't know whether you take loss or you take profit. So this management is the key. Now NFP will drop in the next 1 hour, 25 minutes. So I will have to do this analysis now, then place my trade or place a pending order or wait for a few minutes before the news, then I enter. And I'm going to trade GBP USD actually. And this is my expectation on the chart. So let's go into the chart. I will show you what I'm looking at for on this coming NFP. Alright. So this is GBP USD. I want to trade during NFP. Okay. If you look at this chart, obviously we are having an uptrend. Okay, under 4-hour time frame. Traders will be seeing this as an uptrend, right? And the normal theory is buy uptrend and then you sell downtrend. Is it not? Now, if you look at this, you will see that we have gotten a major BOS here, break of structure. This is called break of structure there, right? Now the market started ranging. This is an obvious ranging market. Let me mark it out for you to see. A ranging market from here. Price has been sleeping around this zone. Go up, come down, go up, come down, failing to break that those two prices. Okay, it's not going to the upside, it's not coming to the downside. Let me make it clearer. Okay, just a minute. Good. Now this is the range I'm talking about. You can see this range very clear. So we don't know what the market will do next. We don't know if it is going to buy or if it's going to sell. But the truth is this: they will use this NFP to break out. That is what they do most time in Forex. They will use this NFP as an excuse of breaking out from this range. So the question is, we don't know whether they will break out from up or break down from below. But this is what I'm going to do. If you look at this range, they have built a lot of liquidity to this downside. Look at this dollar. This dollar sign is where they came, tapped, they didn't sell. They came there, they bought. They came there, they bought, okay? Forming that range, is it not? Similarly, there's also a liquidity to the upside. Let me duplicate this. This is also another liquidity to the upside, okay? Where they had equal lows and equal highs, is it not? Now, these are two liquidities. People's stop loss above and people's stop loss below. Sellers, their stop loss is above. Buyers, their stop loss is below. Now, the most likely thing is the Forex market will go where 5% traders are going. They will go against 95%. You know why I'm saying that? Because traders will be seeing this as a bullish market. Look at this. It's an uptrend, right? So most people will be buying this market based on psychology and what they learn. Public information out there will tell them to buy uptrends. So that is one point you have. And also, there is another block here. Look at this block below. You see this triangle I drew here, this zone. The market have to come back and retest it. It's under probability. Remember, everything I'm saying now is under probability. So I'm expecting the market to do something like this. Let me use a path to sweep all this liquidity. Sorry. The markets have to sweep all this liquidity to the downside. Let me do it again. The market has to do something like this. Then sweep to this point. And then probably, if we take out this zone, then retest, then continue selling to the downside. This is my expectation. They, instead of doing what most traders want, which is buying, they will prefer to sell. That is first key. So what I will do now is I will go to 15-minute time frame and see how I can put myself into this trade. Right? I'm not going into details of this analysis, but I'm just telling you, I'm just showing you how I view the market and how I will scalp this NFP. It's going to drop very soon, so let's be fast about the analysis. So let's take it to 15-minute time frame. Now the market gave us what we call change of character here. Look at this. This is called change of character. Let me change the line to line, tick line. Now see what happened. The market started pushing to the upside, right? Creating what we call higher highs and higher low, higher highs and higher low. So obviously, see what people will see right here. You see, this is another break of structure here. Market took that structure out, is it not? Then we had another market taking away this structure. Okay, so it is bullish, making higher highs and higher low. But see the secret in Forex, they will want to go against you, obviously. Now, what people will do here mostly is buying. They want to buy GBP USD from all ramification. They want to buy GBP USD, but I believe this NFP will go on sell. They will just go on sell. They will prefer to do sells because they have a lot of liquidity to the downside. People's money to collect from the downside. Look at all this fair gap, all this gap need to be filled up. So the market can't buy again, if you ask me. So now look at this. This is another liquidity under 15 minutes time frame that needs to be swept. These are zones of money lying for people to be swept. So what they will do last in this NFP is just clear these guys, okay? Sweep all of them. That's the most likely thing I'm expecting on GBP USD. So without further ado or without wasting time, I will just place this trade and put my stop loss above here. I'll put my stop loss above this high. My stop loss will be here. Okay, so I'll find a way to sell this market. Let's short it. If we can come up to this zone, I will sell it. All right, so what I will do on this NFP day is selling GBP USD. I'll be selling GBP USD. Okay, that's the only trade I trade. I don't take more, and then my stop loss is not much. Highest 10 pips. I'm okay with that. 10 pips. Now that is my expectation. Please join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description box. That is where I drop signals, and then we are hosting a free Forex class which will start this month. On the 17th of February, we are kicking off our first Forex free class. So join there, no money will be paid, you're just going to learn for free. So be there and let's see how it's going to play out. I won't drop this signal in that channel today because NFP is a personal thing. Some people may not be able to handle it. Some people will use higher lot size, a lot of mistakes, and then people will leave the Telegram channel in a haste or out of annoyance because you provided signal and then they are in loss. At the end of the day, they will put the blame on you. That's what I'm saying. So it's better I do it live this way and document the journey. So this is my expectation. I'm selling GBP USD for this NFP. So don't go anywhere. Watch the video to the end. Let's see if it will go in our favor or go against us. Let's go. So guys, I'm in the trade already. Let's see how it goes. My heart is doing me boom, boom, boom. It's true I want to risk this $50 because the plan is fund what you are going to lose. In NFP, let's say you have $200 as a balance. If you cannot risk that $200, withdraw, then fund what you are ready to throw away for that NFP. So I've already taken out all money from my MT5, then funded 50 USD. So this 50 USD now is what I'm risking. Okay, so my heart is jumping up and down. So let's see how it goes, guys. Few minutes to the news, and this is what GBUSD is doing. It's trying to sell, but I'm not sure anything is possible in the Forex market. It can reverse to buy, but I believe myself it might sell. So let's see what's going to play out. Few seconds to the news. NFP will drop soon. Few seconds guys, few seconds to the news. NFP will drop soon. Boom trade. We call it. NFP has crashed to the downside. This is crazy. I didn't drop this setup in my Telegram community, but I'm not regretting it, because if it had gone against us, people will still blame me. You know what I'm saying? So, not to complain. This is massive, man. I think I just need to go to the Telegram channel and drop it that I killed NFP. Killer. I killed it. Let's go and update them that we killed NFP. Alright? Then meanwhile, I'll take my profit and show you at the end of this video. Please subscribe to the channel, okay? Subscribe, everywhere is hot now. 100. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. Share, join our Telegram channel, the link is in the description box, okay? I'll see you in the next one. I'll take my profit and I'll give you a screenshot at the end of the video. I'll see you, alright? This is crazy.